It's a bit harder. Harder for the driver and harder on my nervous system as well. Just no rush.
Adventure trip. Adventure trip.
Adventure.